How do Catkin and Colcon build ROS packages? Imagine you're assembling a complex robot, and you need the right tools to put all the parts together smoothly. That's where build tools like Catkin and Colcon come into play. They are essential for turning your code into working robot software. Let's explore how each of these tools helps you build ROS packages and what makes them different. Catkin is the traditional build system used mainly with Robot Operating System version 1. It is built on top of CMake, which is a popular cross-platform build generator. When you build with Catkin, it treats your entire workspace as a single big project. Each package in your workspace is like a small part of a larger puzzle. Catkin manages dependencies between packages automatically, so you don't have to worry about missing links. To build your workspace, you typically run the command catkin build. This command generates all the necessary build files, compiles your packages, and creates environment setup scripts. These scripts help your system recognize the new packages so you can run your robot nodes smoothly. Catkin uses a file called package.xl to list package details and dependencies, and each package has a cmakelist.txt file that guides the build process. Colcon is a newer tool designed for Robot Operating System version 2, but it can also handle ROS version 1 packages. And like Catkin, Colcon builds each package separately, in parallel if possible. This means it can speed up the process, especially for large projects. Colcon supports many build systems, including CMake and Python setup tools, making it more flexible. When you run Colcon, it automatically detects what type of package each one is and figures out the best way to build it. It then builds all packages in the right order, respecting their dependencies. After building, Colcon creates environment setup files just like Catkin, so your system knows where to find the new software. Its approach of building packages in isolation helps prevent conflicts and makes it easier to manage complex projects with different package types. In everyday robotics work, if you're using ROS version 1, Catkin is the go-to tool because it fits well with traditional workflows. For ROS version 2, Colcon is preferred because it handles modern features and larger, more diverse projects more efficiently. Both tools requiring you to source the setup files after building, which prepares your environment to run your robot programs. To sum up, Catkin builds all your packages together as one big project, making dependency management straightforward for ROS 1. Colcon builds each package separately and in parallel, which speeds things up and offers more flexibility, especially for ROS 2. Knowing which tool to use depends on your robot's software version and how complex your workspace is. Both are powerful, and mastering them makes your robotics development smoother and more organized.